Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a percentage symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the percentage symbol on your Google Sheet web on the computer. First of all, you just need to press Shift key plus 5 on your keyboard. So after press the shift key and press type 5, you can insert the percentage symbol. This is the one of the way. The second way, you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol. Okay, so you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard. It will open this dialog box, which is a Windows symbol dialog box. Click on the symbol option and just change this to the first option called general punctuation, and just swipe down and you can find a lot of symbols, and here you can see the percentage symbol. These are the two ways that you can just insert the percentage symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.